Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to add Drive Shortcut Widget on your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all you have to do is press and hold on screen in your Samsung Galaxy A02 to see the widget below. And okay guys, you all you have to do is click widget. And now here in widget, you can find the widget you want to add to your home screen by scrolling to the left or to the right. And okay guys, after you find the drive widget, okay, you all have to do is click the drive widget. And now here in drive widget, there are options here. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add drive shortcut widget. And okay guys, you all have to do is press and hold the drive shortcut widget to add to your home screen. And now you can select the position. And after you select the position, okay guys, automatically show the file of your drive. And okay guys, now you can create the shortcut. And okay guys, now you can select the file you want to put to your drive widget. And okay guys, for my example, I choose PDF file shortcut. Okay, this is my PDF file, and now I put to my drive widget. And okay guys, after you select the PDF file, press the select button below. And okay guys, now we have successfully add drive shortcut widget to your home screen of your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.